When we opened the house, the playroom was a great space for the kids, so we thought. We found the more we were operating in the house is that it wasn't set for birthday parties, and a lot of the activities really weren't that fun for the kids.
When we first saw the playroom, kind of thought it was a bit blah and just not a space that I would say would, energize anybody from, a little toddler up to me that wants to play in a space.
It's going to be a really fun place for the kids, and it essentially went from a kids' play place to a kids' wonderland.
So right now we're working on a little reading nook. So that circle there, that plywood circle, is going to be a reading nook that fits in here. So we were just putting the backing back here so that we'll have something solid to attach to.
Play to us was kind of letting all boundaries out. So there is no stigma on who you are, what you are. You're just in there to have a good time, create, and literally just knock all the walls down. And to us as a team going through this process, we actually understood what play was to us.
There's toys that are good for Clementine and for Genevieve. They can play together. They can have separate play. There's imaginative play. There's building and climbing. And there's big open floor space for Thatcher just to roll around and play and be himself too.
I think play is important, that it allows kids to kind of engage in their imagination and almost kind of a break or a distraction from the day-to-day, what's happening, and just be able to be creative and kind of the fun and light and laughter that this brings to the house as well.
Words cannot express how thankful we are for all the donors. It truly makes our lives easier and allows our kids to have fun and be kids without worrying. It's hard to put into words.
Ronald McDonald House obviously provides a home that's much needed for the families and children in need. And Alair Homes builds homes and renovates homes, so it's just a natural fit. It was fun to think through and create such amazing spaces, right? And I know that some of them had maybe a little more fun than we expected, but it made the project really special. The message I'd have for kids and families would be, have as much fun as you can in it. I know we had a lot of fun building it, and I know you'll have a lot of fun playing in it.